Okay, so now you can erase your boards. All right, we are gonna play a game.
Well,
Yes.
I played that before. It's the multiplication.
I don't know. I made this game up, so maybe you played it before though.
If you did, I played it in second grade.
Okay, very interesting.
I have one of those.
You do? Okay, so these are my multiplication soccer balls.
Oh.
Are you ready? So we're gonna need partners. So Emily, can you scoot your chair this way so that you're sitting across from Elise?
Sure.
Good. And Andrew, can you move your chair right over here so that because you need to be sitting across from your partner.
Hi, Mom.
All right. So I'm gonna demonstrate first what we're gonna do, and I'm gonna demonstrate with Emily. All right. So Emily, I'm going to throw you this ball, and whatever number is facing up when you catch it, whatever number is facing you, you're going to write that number down on your whiteboard. All right? Ready?
Looks like a 2.
A 2. Okay, so write that number down. Yes. 2. Good.
Okay.
Okay, throw the ball back to me, please.
Oops.
Thank you. Okay, the number facing up for me is a 6. So can you write a 6? Good.
Times 6.
Not 26. Yep. Okay, so 2 times 6. And that's the multiplication problem that Emily and I, because we're partners, we're going to solve this problem together.
So add 2 6 times.
Yes. We got to add 2 6 times. How could we do that?
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So it's
Great.
12.
Awesome. I love the way that you added that. Very
You
great.
could use your
So,
hands.
yeah, you can use your hands. You can draw a picture on your board. You can do anything that you need to do. If you draw a picture, make sure that you show your work. Don't erase it after we're done. So what's going to happen is you can erase that now.
Okay.
With your partner, you both need to write down one multiplication problem each. So one on your board and one on your board. All right?
So we throw it at each other, and whatever I write, she writes.
Not the same problem. So you're going to have one on your board, and you're going to have a different one on your board. But both of you guys, you know how to get the numbers, right? It's when you catch it, which number is facing you. Okay? Do you have a question?
Yeah. When she said you say you have to put one number, and when we done playing tossing the ball, do we have to write the problem on both of our?
You just have to have one problem on yours, right? So you're gonna throw the ball between the two of you 4 times.
Miss Young, we can't have the same, answers, right?
Unless you won't have the same answers. You're gonna have 2 different problems. But I want you to work together to solve those problems.
But when I throw it back to you, you wrote a 6 and I wrote a 6.
Right. So if you throw it to me and you get a 6 and I throw it back to you and you get a 6, then we both have a 6.
Okay.
Yeah. So you will have different problems. Do you have any more questions before we get started?
No.
No? Okay. Just be really careful when you're throwing the ball. Make sure your partner is looking and has their hands up.
Good.
All right? Hands up. Okay. Nice, good throws.
Not on your face.
Not yet. Ready, go.
God, 9.
You got it.
A little wrist.
So what number? 5. Okay. So write down that number.
9. 9 times.
Good. Okay, toss it gently back. One more time.
I have 2.
Good.
There I have 7.
7. Okay. So go ahead.
7.
Make sure she's ready. What do you have? One more time. One more time. Can you throw it back to her? Just throw it gently.
I have 9 times 3.
Okay. Now let Andrew have his other number.
Give me my turn. Because
This is a 9. See the line on the bottom?
Okay, kind of solved it.
Yes.
We almost got the same.
Almost. Good catch. I got it.
okay.
Okay, that's good. There. I have a 3.
Mm-hmm.
7.
Good. Okay, so go ahead and try and solve this problem. If you need help, ask your partner.
So I have to add 7 3 times.
Mm-hmm.
10, 12, 14, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 22, 27. There's 27? Uh-huh. I think mine is 27.
How did you get this answer? What did you do?
Count?
You counted by twos?
No.
What did you? Yeah.
No, it's just
Yeah.
Oops.
So you went 2, 4.
This is right. This 9 cookies with 3 chocolates.
Okay. All right. Good. So I'm going to start over here with Elise, and you are going to explain to me which numbers you got and how you solved the problem.
I got 5 times 6
Mm-hmm.
equals 30 because I did the multiplication dots.
Yeah. Okay. So how did you organize your dots here, and why is how you organize them important? What did you do?
I put like all right here because I know it's 6, and then I put 4 in
Mhm.
each.
Right, okay, so what Elise is saying is, correct me if I'm wrong, so you made one row of 6 going down, right, because you knew that you needed 6 groups of something, right, and then you added 4 dots next to each dot so that you would have 5 in each row. Very, very good strategy. I like that strategy a lot. Peter, how did you solve your problem?
I made 9 circles and then put 3 in each circle.
And then what did you do? Did you count them by ones or did you count them by groups? What did you do?
I count them by 3s.
You counted by 3s. Can you demonstrate that for us?
3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27.
Awesome. Great job. Andrew?
I counting by 2.
And what was the problem that you had there?
2 times.
2 times 9. And you counted by 2s. Did you draw anything on your board? No, you just counted in your head? That's very great. That's a great method. Emily?
I just wrote 3 cookies and 7 in each.
3 cookies and 7 in each. And then how did you figure out the answer?
Well, I know 7 plus 7 is 14, so I added together. 14 plus 7 is 21. So
Okay.
together, it's an answer.
Right, so you did repeated addition. You added 7 plus 7 and got 14 and added another 7 and got 21. These are all really, really great strategies, and I'm really seeing here that you guys understand the connection between addition and multiplication, right? Just like we did on this example up here, how you can add the same number a certain number of times, and you just repeat it over and over, right? That's great. Okay, so now,
Can we erase now?
yes, you can erase.
I'm done.
Good. Okay, so now we're going to work individually, that means by ourselves, and I'm going to read you a story problem. And you guys can solve it any way you want. I really like all the strategies that you've been using.
Times tables.
So we've been doing a lot of drawings, like Elise's dots, and that was a really great strategy. And a couple of us also did counting by groups, so counting by 2s, counting by 3s, and Emily did repeated addition, where she added 7 plus 7 equals 14, and added another 7. 14 plus 7 equals 21. So these are all strategies that you guys can use, all right? Here's the first problem. Mary has 5 baskets of oranges, and each basket has 5 oranges. How many oranges are there all together?
5 baskets of oranges.
5 baskets of oranges.
And five oranges in each basket.
Correct.